In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube subscribe button in Canva. Let's dive right in and transform your video content with a professional-looking subscribe button that will encourage viewers to join your community. First, you'll want to head over to your Canva project. If you haven't started a new design yet, go ahead and open Canva and create a new project. You can select any size that suits your needs, but a common choice is a YouTube thumbnail size, which is 1280 by 720 pixels. Once your project is open, you'll see a variety of tools on the left-hand side of the screen. These tools are your gateway to exploring Canva's extensive library of design elements. Next, click on the Elements tab located on the left-hand side. This is where Canva stores all its shapes, graphics, and other visual elements that you can use to enhance your design. In the search bar within the Elements section, type in YouTube logo. This will bring up a selection of YouTube-related graphics. Look for a simple YouTube logo that suits your design style. You can choose between different styles and colors, but for a classic look, a red and white logo works perfectly. After selecting a YouTube logo, the next step is to find a YouTube subscribe button. You can do this by typing YouTube subscribe into the same search bar. Canva will then display various subscription button options. Pick one that you think best matches your design vision. Most subscribe buttons will have a red background with white text, but don't hesitate to explore different styles if you're looking for something unique. Once you have your YouTube logo and subscribe button selected, it's time to add them to your video project. Simply click on each element and it will appear on your canvas. You can then drag and drop these elements to position them exactly where you want. Make sure the subscribe button is visible and prominent enough to catch the viewer's attention without overwhelming the video content. To wrap things up, ensure all your elements are aligned properly and that the colors complement each other. You might want to adjust the size of the elements so they fit well within your design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can save your project by clicking on the download button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose your preferred file format and your YouTube subscribe button is ready to be added to your video. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube subscribe button using Canva. By adding this button to your videos, you're making it easier for viewers to subscribe to your channel, helping you grow your audience over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.